Have you ever imagined a motorhome so massive and luxurious that it feels more like a 5-star mansion on wheels than an RV? Welcome back to a Motorzone, where today we're stepping inside one of the most jaw-dropping luxury motorhome concepts you'll ever see. Before we continue our video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. At first glance, this incredible machine looks like it came straight out of a futuristic movie. Based on what we can confidently observe, this is an ultra-large multi-level luxury motorhome, with a striking blue and pearl white exterior, finished in a glossy, premium paint. It features enormous panoramic glass windows that wrap around nearly every level, giving it the appearance of a luxury yacht on wheels. The body has flowing aerodynamic lines accented with sleek blue LED lighting, while the front end showcases a bold commercial truck-style cab with an aggressive grille and modern LED headlights. Along both sides, you'll notice an incredible number of axles supporting this enormous structure, suggesting this vehicle is designed to carry an extraordinary amount of luxury living space. On the rooftop, one feature immediately steals the spotlight: a stunning swimming pool surrounded by elegant lounge seating and an observation deck. And trust me, that's just the beginning. From every angle, this motorhome commands attention. The smooth curves, sculpted body panels, and continuous glass surfaces create a design that feels closer to a super yacht than a traditional RV. The oversized, panoramic windows not only flood the interior with natural light, but also give passengers uninterrupted views wherever they travel. Chrome wheels, polished trim, and premium materials enhance the upscale appearance, while the multiple decks make this one of the most ambitious motorhome designs imaginable. Whether parked beside a mountain lake or cruising down an American highway, it's guaranteed to become the center of attention everywhere it goes. But wait until you see what's inside. Although the interior isn't fully visible, the exterior strongly suggests a layout inspired by today's most luxurious motorhomes and modern penthouses. It's reasonable to estimate that the main living area features an enormous open-concept lounge with oversized designer sofas, premium wood flooring, elegant marble finishes, and floor-to-ceiling windows that transform every destination into a breathtaking view. A giant wall-mounted smart television, hidden surround sound speakers, customizable ambient lighting, and automated window shades would fit perfectly into this futuristic environment. Moving deeper inside, the kitchen would likely rival those found in luxury homes. Picture a large marble island, premium cabinetry, built-in smart appliances, induction cooking surfaces, concealed storage compartments, and high-end finishes throughout. Everything would be designed for both elegance and practicality, allowing travelers to prepare gourmet meals while enjoying panoramic scenery through the massive windows. Right beside the kitchen, it's easy to imagine a sophisticated dining area featuring a beautiful dining table surrounded by luxurious leather chairs. Large windows would create the perfect setting for family dinners or entertaining guests while overlooking breathtaking landscapes. But the most incredible feature is still coming. The master bedroom would likely offer the comfort of a 5-star luxury hotel. A king-sized bed, premium bedding, soft indirect LED lighting, custom wardrobes, elegant wall panels, and expansive panoramic windows could transform every morning into an unforgettable experience. Wake up beside the mountains, a peaceful lake, or the Pacific coastline without ever leaving your bedroom. The bathroom would almost certainly continue that same premium experience. Based on modern luxury RV trends, it's reasonable to expect marble-inspired surfaces, a spacious glass shower, floating vanity, illuminated mirrors, luxury fixtures, and perhaps even a freestanding soaking tub. Instead of feeling like an RV bathroom, it would resemble a private luxury spa. And then, there's the second level. Judging by the overall design, the upper floor likely provides even more living space, possibly including an additional luxury lounge, another private bedroom suite, and extra kitchen and bathroom facilities for guests. This multi-level arrangement would provide exceptional privacy while making extended travel feel effortless for families or VIP guests. Now, let's head to what may be the most spectacular area of this incredible machine: the rooftop. Visible from the image is an elegant rooftop swimming pool positioned at the center of an expansive outdoor terrace. Comfortable lounge seating surrounds the pool, creating the perfect space for relaxing under the sun or enjoying an unforgettable sunset. Glass safety railings maintain uninterrupted views while preserving the sleek, modern design. Imagine parking beside the ocean, climbing to the rooftop, and relaxing in your private swimming pool while overlooking the coastline. That's the kind of luxury usually reserved for multi-million-dollar yachts. Of course, beauty means very little without performance. Since this appears to be a concept or custom-built luxury motorhome, no official specifications are available. However, based on its enormous size, it's reasonable to estimate that a heavy-duty commercial truck platform would power this vehicle using a large diesel engine capable of delivering substantial torque for long-distance touring. Advanced air suspension, electronic stability systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, multiple surround view cameras, and intelligent parking systems would all be expected in a motorhome of this caliber. Energy independence would also play a major role. The expansive rooftop offers plenty of space for high-capacity solar panels, allowing the motorhome to support off-grid adventures. Combined with lithium battery storage, smart power management, water filtration systems, automated climate control, satellite internet, and voice-controlled smart home technology, this motorhome could function as a completely self-contained luxury residence. But that's still not the best part. Owning a motorhome like this isn't simply about transportation, it's about freedom without sacrificing comfort. Every destination becomes your private luxury resort. Imagine driving through the Rocky Mountains, parking beside Yellowstone National Park, exploring the California coastline, or spending weeks crossing America without ever checking into a hotel. Every sunrise becomes your backyard. Every evening becomes a private luxury retreat. Because this appears to be a highly customized luxury concept rather than a production model, there is no official pricing. However, based on its extraordinary size, multi-level architecture, rooftop amenities, premium materials, and likely engineering complexity, a realistic estimated value could range anywhere from $3 million to well over $8 million, depending on customization and technology. This would appeal to ultra-high net worth individuals, celebrities, luxury travelers, successful entrepreneurs, professional athletes, and collectors looking for one of the world's most exclusive motorhomes. And honestly, it's hard not to dream about owning something this extraordinary. It's bold, it's futuristic, it's luxurious beyond imagination. Every detail has been designed to deliver an unforgettable travel experience that completely redefines what a motorhome can be. If this incredible luxury motorhome amazed you as much as it amazed us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AS Motorzone, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next luxury vehicle tour. And now we want to hear from you. Would you actually travel across America in this unbelievable mansion on wheels? Or is there another dream motorhome you'd love us to feature next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.